I couldn't wait till I got home today because I knew my crystal bath order was at the front door. So let's see what's in here. Oh, let's see. All right. First we have Gone Sailing. That's in citrus, peach, and cranberry. Look how cute it is. Ooh, color right from the outside. Next we have, looks like a little mermaid gnome. But what's it called? Yep, Gnome Away. Honeydew, coconut, and orange. Pardon the writing on my hand. I had to remind myself of something. I'm a child. I always have to write stuff on my hand. And pardon how fast I'm doing this. I have some stuff to do today. After I unbox this. All right, look how cute. Strawberries scented in fresh picked strawberries. I got 2 of them because strawberry is one of my favorite things to bathe in. Oh, it's got a little glitter on it. Smells so yummy. Let's see. Oh, did I order this? Oh, it's free. It's called Take 'em Grape, Summer Fruits, and Vanilla. Oh, that smells so good. And then next is in, holding it upside down, In Bloom. I had to read the description on this one to make sure that it wasn't in rose because I do not like rose, but this looks to be a little rose, and it wasn't, so I got it. It's strawberry and marshmallow. Another delicious smelling one. And then I got a little gifty for my grandbaby, so she could do a demo. She likes doing demos now. And this one is called Somewhere in Lemonade, Raspberry, and Lavender. Is that a bubble at the top? Oh yeah, bath bomb with bubble frosting. Look how cute. She's gonna love it. Right, guys, that's it for my quick unboxing. Let me just review what we have. Again, we have Somewhere. We have In Bloom. Have a little freebie here, and this is Take 'em. Make sure I didn't miss anything if I look at my packing list. Yep, that's it. We have the 2 strawberries. I'm making a mess here. We have the Gnome Away. And then we have Gone Sailing. Let me see if this is just a packing list or has pricing. Oh, it does have pricing. So the strawberries were $2 a piece. The Gnome was a little tiny one, so it was only $3.50. The Somewhere, which was the little one with the little bubble bar on top for my granddaughter, that was only $6.40. The Gone Sailing was $5.75, and the In Bloom was $5. All right, guys, that's it for Crystal Bath. I'm actually going to run take a bath right now before I go out for the evening. Talk to you guys later. Bye.